Hello everyone! After my first video on the unpacking of the X9 Plus, here's a test on the different riding modes, and also how to remove the speed limiter. This electric scooter is a premium model. It is equipped with a motor of 500 watts, capable of delivering up to 850 watts, and equipped with a battery of 36 volts, 15.6 ampere-hour removable. Its LCD screen is quite bright and allows to see the speed, the battery level, and the operating mode. After having completely charged it, we can finally embark. When the D mode disappears, it is in pedestrian mode, and its speed is 6 km per hour max. When the D is displayed in white, then the speed is 15 km per hour. Then the D in red, the sport mode, is activated, and its speed is 25 km per hour. The driving is very stable, with a very good road holding. The handles are comfortable and there's a good grip. It is very easy to drive. It has a range of about 65 kilometers. There is no suspension, but thanks to its 10-inch tires and their thickness of 7 centimeters, it absorbs the shocks well. The X9 Plus is very well equipped with 2-disc brakes. Be careful when you brake hard, the rear wheel can easily lift. The folding system is simple and well thought out. This electric scooter is quite imposing and a bit heavy to carry, but I think that Aovo made the right choice to use materials that last in time. It has a very good acceleration and is able to carry weights up to 100 kilograms and to climb slopes up to 25 degrees. Here's how to remove the speed limiter and shift the X9 Plus to its maximum speed. Now the normal mode is set to 20 km per hour, and the sport mode accelerates even stronger. Its behavior is very different and much more dynamic. During all my tests, I was able to reach a top speed of 37 km per hour. The finish is really good. I didn't notice any vibrations. The fenders are long enough and I didn't get any splash during my test in the rain. It is a machine ready to be used daily. It accelerates quickly but gradually. The design is very nice. The brakes are effective. I took a lot of pleasure to ride with it. It is made for city trips. The removable battery is a great asset. The X9 Plus looks robust. For me, it's the ultimate electric scooter for a budget of €700, and my favorite of all the models I've tested.